Hello everyone, I am Rahul from Hyro Micro Data Centers. Today I will be presenting about Distributed Knowledge Base, that is DKB. DKB is essentially a knowledge store that is distributed across multiple interconnected nodes within the MYRTUS infrastructures. This ensures resiliency and consistency of data. Under the hood, as of now, we are using open source tool called MinIO Object Storage for data management. Right now we are running two MinIO instances, that is MinIO 1 and MinIO 2 on our FMDC clusters. So this ensures high availability and scalability. On top of this layer, we have built custom APIs that provide unified way to store and retrieve data for all the components in the meters. So let me show you how it works. So I have opened three windows for DKB, one for all the APIs and one for MinIO instance 1 and other for MinIO instance 2. You can see the URL in the browser. So we will be trying to create a few namespaces and objects using our APIs. So to create a namespace, we can call this APIs. So let's say give the namespace name namespace 1. It will be creating the bucket inside both the MinIO instances. To verify this, we can go to the MinIO cluster 1. If we are able to see, this namespace bucket is created on instance 1, and if we go to MinIO instance 2, and if we check here, this namespace that is internally mapped to bucket is also created on MinIO instance 2. And if we try to upload some object inside this bucket, that object should also be replicated to both the MinIO instances. So I will be using the post request to upload the object to this MinIO instance. In the post object, we have to mention the namespace name where we want to upload the object and the object name. And we are supporting two types of data as of now. We can upload the JSON data using the same API, or we can upload the binary data. So I'm trying to upload the JSON object. It will be uploaded to bucket name called ns1. So we got the success response, that is HTTP 200 status. And if we try to go to any of the bucket, so we can see in the namespace 1 we have object created called object1. That name we have created, and if we go to the MinIO 2 also, we should be having the same object. So the data is replicated across all the layers. Now we will try to retrieve this object using get operation. We have two APIs. One is to retrieve the particular object and another is to retrieve all the objects ID in that particular namespace. So if we use this API and we will provide the namespace 1, we should see all the object. In this case, we have only one object created. We can see list of objects ID. But if you want to retrieve the particular object, we should use this API, that is to retrieve the object in the given namespace. So we can try it out. We have to give the namespace, that is namespace 1, and object key that we have used to create the object. The particular JSON is retrieved successfully. You can see this is the JSON structure we have uploaded, and there are few APIs to manage and retrieve this data. Let's say we can delete the particular namespace, or we can delete the particular object created inside the namespace. So let's try to delete the object created in the namespace. So we got the success response, that is object 1 is deleted from namespace ns1. Now we will try to see the object is deleted or not. So you can see this object is deleted from the MinIO instance 1, and if we go to the MinIO instance 2, it should also be deleted from this namespace. So we have a list of APIs that is fully working and deployed on FMDC Kubernetes clusters. So I would like to highlight one more thing. In the second phase of project, we want to distribute this MinIO instances to different layers MYRTUS infrastructure. So we will be having distributed data across all the layers. So that's it from my side for DKB demo. Thank you.